Hi, and welcome back to my channel. It's such a beautiful day out today that I wanted to come outside and film about the positives of living in a manufactured home active adult community. And this is my community. If you're a senior navigating retirement on fixed incomes, adjusting to lifestyle changes, and looking for affordable, fulfilling options, especially housing options, this video is for you. First, I'm going to share 10 positives of living in a manufactured 55 plus active retirement community. And then, in fairness, I'm going to share 10 negatives. The first positive that really attracted me and my husband to this lifestyle is it's affordable. It's an affordable housing option. Manufactured homes generally cost a lot less than a traditionally built home or a condo. It makes them a smart choice for seniors on a fixed income without being stressed out about the cost of their housing. The second thing that we love is the low maintenance. Many communities do all the landscaping, lawn care, and the shared amenities upkeep. This reduces the physical and financial stress to us as seniors living on Social Security. It leaves us more time for relaxing and enjoying our retirement. The other thing about an active 55 plus community is the sense of community and belonging. Most of these communities are built around connection. Neighbors are in the same stage of life as you are, which makes it easy to make friends, join clubs, and find support. Loneliness is a huge challenge for seniors, and we've talked about that in other videos. Community living is an excellent way to help ease that burden and the sadness of loneliness as we age. Resort-style amenities all over. Most communities have pools, clubhouses, fitness centers, walking trails, and organized events. These amenities often feel like you're on a vacation all the time, and it's a lot less expensive than living in an expensive resort town year-round. Budget-friendly living expenses. Many costs that can be predictable, with lot rent often covering water, sewer, and trash. Sometimes they even cover cable. The stability helps seniors manage tight budgets without financial surprises. Moving into manufactured home means less clutter, less cleaning, and less maintenance. Downsizing isn't about giving up. It's about creating space for freedom, experience, and peace of mind. You'll find out when you declutter the big home that you're in, one of the truths is that nobody wants your stuff. So you might as well start to declutter, make your life easier, and thus have a much easier move into a smaller home, whether it be a manufactured home or a traditional home that's much smaller in a community that you like. The great thing about Florida, which is why I chose it, is there's no state income tax, which is huge for us. We combine that with lower housing costs compared to northern states and out west. Our money goes much further here than it did in Colorado. It has beautiful weather and an active lifestyle, year-round sunshine. You can enjoy walking the beach. There's a lot of trails, parks, golfing, tennis, pickleball. You can be outside on your porch almost every day of the year. No snow shoveling, no icy sidewalks, just sunshine and fresh air. The other thing in Florida, in these communities, and I would say this is all over Florida, I'm on the Treasure Coast, which is on the Atlantic side, but all over Florida, there is a tremendous health care for seniors, lots of geriatric medicine, and it's just a relief to know that you're going to be able to continue your health care as you age. So relocating to a manufactured home community can feel like turning a page to a brand new chapter. It sure did for me. I've met new people, I've explored new hobbies, and I'm really enjoying life without the financial strain. So, if you're thinking about making a change in retirement because of budget concerns, or just because you want a lifestyle that offers freedom, friendships, and fun, consider looking into manufactured homes communities in Florida. Do your research and make sure that it's something that you're going to like, and we can discuss that in the negatives part of the video. So if you found this video helpful, give it a like, share it with someone you think it might be helpful about downsizing and about lifestyle options, and this option in particular. Please consider subscribing to the video, and I'll be sharing more tips on affordable retirement living and lifestyles, especially for those of us on fixed incomes. Thanks for watching, and remember, you would deserve a retirement that feels good for you. Not for your children, not for your grandchildren, not for your friends, your sisters, your brothers. It's for you. You want to enjoy the lifestyle for you. So take that power and make it happen for yourself. Okay, that's it for now. And I'll see you in the next video, which will be the negatives of living in a manufactured home community. Bye-bye.